Chimichurri is this luscious green sauce that is used to top grilled meats in Argentina. According to my research, this herb sauce is part of a ritual, the ASADO, which is a full-day commitment of fire, grill, and meat. Don't call it a barbecue or you'll be tangled out. Hey folks, my name is Joyce Manalo, Certified Health Coach. Nice to meet y'all. Thanks so much for stopping by. I make videos for people who want to start or refresh their healthy habits. And cooking at home is definitely a step in the right direction. This is episode 8 of our Herb Basics series, where we'll be combining hard and soft herbs to make a sauce. So hard herb is oregano in this recipe, and then parsley for the soft herb. If you are curious about hard and soft herbs, check out the playlist Herb Basics series, okay? And by the end of this video, you'll learn how to make chimichurri, and also your taste buds will be doing the tango. Listos? Let's get started. What you're gonna need is a food processor, a spatula, a kettle to boil some water in, and we're going to need half a cup of that, 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes, half a tablespoon of coarse sea salt, 4 cloves of garlic, a heaping cup of fresh parsley, half a cup of fresh oregano, a 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil, and 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. This recipe has been adapted from Argentinian chef Francis Malman. Gracias. And chimichurri has so many different variations, even the origin of its name has many stories. If you're curious about that, read BBC Travel's Culinary Roots article, which I linked in the description below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also connect with me on Instagram and Facebook at Kala Health and Wellness. We'll start off with the base, so let's use this hot water and add the salt, chili flakes, and garlic to it, and blend that first. Okay, now that that's blended, we can still see that there's a garlic clove there, but that's okay. Let's add our parsley. Okay. Then our oregano. Lastly, our oil, extra virgin olive oil, and vinegar. Go ahead and process that. And there you have it, chimichurri. I have a piece of steak right here with some chimichurri sauce on top. Let's go in for a taste test. Well, the sauce gives the steak a whole new dimension. I can taste the oregano, parsley, a little bit of a kick, and surprisingly, the garlic isn't overpowering. And I think that is because of the hot water. Definitely a must try. Isn't it so divine? I hope y'all are excited to explore Argentinian food and to try this chimichurri sauce on your animal or plant-based proteins. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share, or hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And if you have, thank y'all so much. Also, if you're curious about the Herb Basics videos, check out the playlist. Remember, you deserve to be happy and healthy. Catch y'all at the next episode.